So today we are going to be unboxing the analytical pH/temperature meter. So this is a tabletop type and this has 4 functions. You can do the pH of a sample or a liquid. You can also check the EC, which is the conductivity, and check the ORP and also the temperature. So this is 4 function meter. So I'm going to be unboxing it and I'm also going to be setting it up so that we see how it works. So first, the main machine itself. Now this particular model is a pH 2601. So there are other similar models like this and they also do same functions. So if you check behind the machine here, you see that we have the switch, the on off switch. So this is where we turn our machine either on or off. Now we have the pH point or port where we can connect our pH probe. We also have the temperature toggle switch. This is where we can switch our temperature reading either to degree Celsius or Fahrenheit. We also have another port here. This is where we plug in our temperature probe or our thermometer probe, right? And then we have the power port here. This is where we plug in the power cable, the power on the device. So I'm going to get each of these items one after the other and begin to plug them in. So first we have the temperature probe or the thermometer probe. So this senses the temperature of our device. So this is the pH probe. So it has its sensor and is well preserved. So this is the port that goes right into this port. So let's keep that aside. This is our power cable, goes right behind the meter. And then we also have the stand. So this stand holds the pH probe and also the thermometer. So I'm going to assemble that. Now after putting this and using this knob to secure it tightly, see that it's tight, well secure, then also secure it properly. So we now have our item firm. So next I'm going to install our pH probe. And just right behind and it twists and is firmly attached. And then the temperature meter. So depending on where you want to keep it. And also right behind here, you plug it in. Same with our power cable, right? And then here you plug it in. Now our multi-purpose pH meter is now assembled. So in our next video, I'm going to show us how to power it on and how to calibrate it and how to use the pH meter.